You just need to use like a, let me show you. Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use the tretinoin on your skin. So let's get started. If you are looking for a product with a lot of sleep, moisture and hydration and great ingredient, please check out naturalrizado.com. So the first thing you need to know is that if you are pregnant or nursing your baby, you should not use the product. Use it after you finish nursing your baby or deliver your baby if you're not going to nurse the baby. And also if you are sick like diabetes, thyroid or any type of diseases you may have, or I don't know, try to make sure with your doctor that it's fine to use the tretinoin on your skin. So now let me show you or tell you how to use the product properly. So first of all, you need to use the product on a clean face, okay? So when you apply the product on your skin, you need to avoid all the area around your eyes. So from here, all this area, eyebrow until here, like this, avoid it. Do not apply the product here. Do not apply the product here. Do not apply the product here on your nose or close to your nose on this part, like here and here. Do not apply the product here. Do not apply the product here. You may apply the product from here to the bottom. So apply the product far away from your lips. So avoid here, like I said, on top here. Avoid around your nose here. You can put it here. Here is fine, but avoid here. Avoid under your eyes. Under your eyes area, don't put it on top of your eyes and your eyebrow. Don't put it here. So where you put the product is only on your here, like this. You go like this. You go like this. You apply on your cheek from here and here. Don't put the product here close to your eyes. You're gonna burn yourself. The product is going to, don't do it. Don't do it. Also, don't apply the product on your neck. For beginners, don't apply on your neck, otherwise you're gonna have a bad experience, guys. So don't apply it on your neck. So stay here on the cheek, here and here. Now how much you should use on your face, it has to be a little bit. You just need to use like a, let me show you, this really small. It's something really small. It's really small. You don't need to apply a lot, something small, and you do that and you apply 1 2 3 4 and you massage very well all around your face, and you do it at night only. So now let me tell you the steps. So you wash your face with your gentle soap, and then I don't know, you do like you usually do. Do not apply any exfoliant before that. You don't need to apply any exfoliant before that. You may apply humectant like hyaluronic acid if you want to on your face. Then put your moisturizer, and on top of your moisturizer put this on top of your moisturizer. This is a gentle way to use it. Every time you apply your tretinoin, apply it on top of a moisturizer. And please do not use any product like glycolic acid creams, any acid product. Do not use that when you use tretinoin on your face. This is for beginners. So for beginners, wash your face with a gentle soap. Apply your humectant. It can be glycerin, it can be glycolic acid if you want to. Apply that, then apply your moisturizer. Let your moisturizer dry very well. When your face is dry, now apply your tretinoin all around your face. Do that once per week. The first month do it once per week. The second month, do it twice per week. The third month, 3 times per week. You see, as much as you grow, increase the rate. The goal is to use it every day. That's the goal. But if you use it maybe the second month, you use it twice a month, and you feel that your face is sensitive, every time you use the product and you feel that your skin gets sensitive, it's like it's burning, stop using it. Let your skin rest for like maybe 2 days and then start again. So every time you have a type of irritation, any type of, you feel like your skin is so sensitive, you barely can touch your face, stop it for 2 days and then stop for 2 days. So during the 2 days, do not use tretinoin, do not use any acid on your face, just your moisturizer, just water and your moisturizer. That's it. Let your skin regenerate itself, because your face is going to hurt because it's trying to adapt to the product, it's trying to regenerate itself. So your face is working. That's why it may hurt, it may make your face sensitive. So that's the best advice I can give you. Another thing is that you must use a sunscreen every morning. Sunscreen and tretinoin work together. That's why you're gonna you saw me on some of my video, I was talking about sunscreen, guys. It's because I was using tretinoin. So you need to use a sunscreen every morning. You're gonna use this maybe once per week the first month. You're gonna use this once per week for the first month, but you must use your sunscreen every morning, every day. Sunscreen is to wear in the morning. So every morning, it doesn't matter if you go out or if you stay home, you need to wear a sunscreen every morning. Because if you do not use a sunscreen, the sun is going to burn your face, because your face is going to get sensitive. Your face is going to get like a baby skin. You know, with baby, it's not recommended to go under the sun because their skin is sensitive, it's going to burn. There is a girl that used tretinoin, and she was not using a sunscreen. She was applying tretinoin in the morning, and her face got burned. So if you want a good experience with tretinoin, use it only at 9, and also every morning use your sunscreen every morning on your face. Every morning, guys. When I discovered tretinoin, my doctor told me to use it every day. I was using that every day at 9, once per day at 9, and I had a lot. It was very hard. My face was sensitive. It was very hard for me to touch my skin and stuff like that. So I don't want you to go through the same process I went to. But if you think that you can make it, because it's possible, your face is going to hurt, but hey, it's possible. My face was hurting, but I was like, okay. You can do it. But if you want to go the gentle way, use it once per week for a month, and the second month try to use it twice per week, the third month 3 times per week, until you start using it every day. And also during the morning, I was using my sunscreen, and you're gonna notice that if your face is so sensitive, if in the morning you barely can touch your face, guys, wash your face with cold water, apply your moisturizer, and let your face breathe. You can skip the sunscreen if your face is very sensitive and hurts. You can skip the sunscreen. So, and just make sure you protect your face from the sun with a hat, or stay home or stuff like that. You see, so every time, let me repeat that, guys, it's very important. Every time you have a sensitive face in the morning, it's very difficult for you to touch your face it's very difficult for you to do anything because your face feel like it's burning, spend 2 days without using the tretinoin. And you can also skip the sunscreen and only use your moisturizer and water. Cold water is going to calm your face down, and put your moisturizer is also going to calm your face down. And voila. And also do not use any glycolic acid, any acid on your face during that period, because your face need to adapt for 2 months. For 2 months your face needs to adapt. So yeah, so I hope I gave you almost everything in this video on how to use this product. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section below. And yeah guys, so you go girl, start to use tretinoin. Thank you guys, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.